Have you ever thought that you can get paid for posting YouTube videos, not creating them but only sharing them to websites that will pay you? Now by doing that, I'm not saying you will become an instant billionaire, but I'm saying you are going to get paid over $1,000 for each video you share. Guys, I was asked to be realistic. If you guys are not going to work on all these websites, then you might as well stop watching this video, because guys, without working there is also no pay. So please watch this video till the end and follow every trick I am going to show you. So guys, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to visit YouTube. On YouTube you're going to search for the most popular thing on it. A thing I like when it drops, it get over 250k views in less than a day, and that will be either Fortnite or the losing weights videos. Guys, that what I chose, you don't have to, you can choose anything you want, does not have to be what I chose. So guys, I'm going to search how to lose weight fast. So guys, as you can see, all these videos are over millions and millions of views. So guys, I'm going to choose this. 15 simple ways to lose weight fast in 2 weeks. So I'm going to start by checking the video. It is fine, I can use it on that site. So guys, as you can see, the video has a lot of information. So yes, I can use the video for my website. So all I will do, click on the share button and copy the link, and I'm going to go to Google and search for a site named ShrinkMe.io. So guys, what is ShrinkMe.io? ShrinkMe.io is a URL shortener tool which converts long URL to a small. Own ShrinkMe.io gives the chance to earn money from every visitors to your links. So guys, I'm going to click here. As you can see, it will send me straight to the site. You see here it written the highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up $220 for at least 10,000 clicks. Guys, note that most YouTube channels don't earn that much money for 10,000 views, so you will get paid more for something you did not even create. Okay guys, so all you have to do is join with your email username and password. As you can see, when you join you get a bonus of $1 when you join. So guys, all you will do is shorten your link where it says shorten URL, and then you are going to get the shorten URL. And now guys, we will come down to where are you going to get people who will click on this link. Relax, I got you guys. So what you will do is, you probably know this site by now. I always recommend you guys use it in all my videos. Is this site name is Heculist. A Safer List is an email list where you can email other members of the Safer List. It is an online database of people, usually internet marketers, who have given permission to the owner of the Safer List, that they may receive offers to their email on a daily basis. The site that gives you access to 1,000 emails, people that can drive traffic to you link fast, and it real people, no bots, only real people. So you will just go to Heculist, type in, have you been thinking on losing weight all week and you know where to start? Well, this is your lucky day, because I have a video that will teach you how to lose weight fast in less than 2 weeks. So if you're interested, click on the down below, and then you will post your link that people will access. And then the next thing, you will go to Facebook, search for groups of losing weight, join each and one of like I'm doing. When you have been approved to post on these groups, then you will just write the video title. 15 simple ways to lose weight fast in 2 weeks. Then you can add the link and maybe change it, write it your own way. It fine, nothing will happen. Guys, do that with all the groups. Then there is this group named Herbalife. In the group they sell product to lose weight, so when you can post on the group, post your idea and tell them it's a free way to lose weight. And then guys, go back to Google, search a site named Answers. It was said that Answers.com is visited almost by 10 million people per day. So yes guys, this site is visited a lot. So guys, there are many people who ask questions on how to lose weight fast, and you haste the answer, so you will answer all those people who have asked those questions about weight lose and all. Please answer them nicely with straight answers. Guys, please stay tuned until the video ends. I'm going to do another video that ranks high YouTube and where to share it. You don't want to miss that. So guys, there is one last site named Quora, is also like Answers but in a very different way, so you will do the same thing you did with Answers. And guys, FYI, you have WhatsApp friends, send them the link, ask for support, man. So guys, I'm going to go back to YouTube. There is another thing that ranks high on YouTube, and that is Fortnite. Fortnite is a survival game where 100 players fight against each other in player versus player combat to be the last one standing. It is a fast-paced, action-packed game, not unlike the Hunger Games, where strategic thinking is a must in order to survive. Players on Fortnite. So guys, as why all can see, this video was posted just yesterday and it has over 400,000 views, so I'm going to use the video first. I'm going to check it, see if this video is fine or. So guys, I have checked, the video works just fine. I am going to use it, so I'm going to copy the link and go back to shrinkme.io and shorten my link. When I have a shortened link, I will copy it and paste it on my notebook. Guys, another thing, don't only copy one link, copy at least 5 or more links. So when I'm done copying my links, I'm going to go back to Google. Now I will search for Fortnite updates and I will see something like this. I am then going to copy the article and then save the photo. Then I'm going back to my notebook, paste the article and photo and the shortened URL, and then write something about Fortnite. So guys, I'm going to go back to Facebook and I will search for Fortnite groups and join all of them. When I'm accepted, I will then post what I wrote on my notebook there about Fortnite update and post the link, so when they click I'm going to get paid. Go to Quora, search for Fortnite, post it there and go to Answers and then post the link there. So guys, please remember, if you're not going to work, that you definitely not going to make any money. I wish you luck on all the sites I shared with you guys. Wish you make money guys. If you have at least $20 that you can to Instagram, ask for